I want to prepare a traditional ulcers medicine. That's it. What are Colina? Oh, what Tirimbo can tell you, my friend? Don't dare. Usijaribu. So I want to harvest that fresh papaya up there. So welcome back again. I'm right here and we want to start preparing our traditional herb for ulcers. In case you're new, I appreciate you big time. Thank you so much for clicking. Please consider subscribing. Watch the video until the end. Let me know what you think, and at the same time, let me know where you're watching me from. And to my returning viewers, I dearly appreciate you. Let the Almighty God bless you for the immense and amazing support you're giving me. Know that I don't take it for granted. Before I start, let me show you how everything is looking. The green vegetation, and this is a banana plantation. Let me show you closely. You can see. These are bananas, but this type of a banana, we don't cook them. These ones are good for ripening. This other side, it's where we have bananas for cooking, green bananas for cooking, but at the same time, you can eat them when they ripe, okay? So they are both good for cooking and ripening. And then we have a very beautiful flower right there. I'm always scared of this creature, chameleon. You can see, whew, I am scared, super scared. It's making moves to that tree. And then here we used to have a chicken coop right here, but we are still demolishing it because we moved it from here to the other side. You can see this is where we used to have our chicken, but this one will be down very soon. And I have one chicken that is in the process of hatching right there. I hope you're enjoying the video. Let me know what you think, but please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have been dwelling on omaze for the longest. Like, I cannot travel without them on my bag, so I felt like, no, I'm overdoing the thing. They only relieve the pain and they leave you with that wound. It's upon you as an individual to keep managing it. I've been doing some research and I did some consultation, so I was advised to try this. I do believe that it's gonna work because, guys, what I know, nothing beats herbs. It's a raw papaya that we got from the tree, and before I start chopping it, I want to clean it nicely. So after ensuring that it's clean, I'm going to pour water, running water like that. I have my papaya here, very fresh, well cleaned, and this is purely organic. God created herbs, God created trees that you can use as medicines instead of visiting hospital doors. Guys, it doesn't sound good. Like, today you are in hospital, tomorrow you are out, the next day you are in hospital for the same thing. You are being prescribed the same medicines. It doesn't feel okay because they end up ruining you. So let's get started. So I want to place this camera here so that you can see what I'm doing right there. And remember, guys, nothing is going to be thrown out. Like, everything is going to be so beneficial. This is the knowledge that I gathered from somewhere, and I'm putting it into action. And as I was doing research, I learned that papaya water, it is so effective. It has an enzyme by the name papain, which is so important for digestion. It also helps to boost immunity system. Also, the high content fiber in this water, it is so effective when it comes to regulating blood sugar levels, effective in controlling it is so effective in controlling blood sugar levels. This papaya water, it's rich in antioxidants, helps to fight inflammation. So guys, that's the little knowledge I gathered. And most importantly, you are not supposed to throw anything, like no peeling of the peels, no getting rid of the seeds, like everything goes in like that. Yeah, I'm done slicing my papaya. You can see, well sliced into small cubes. Hopefully you can see. Right on this mug, I have a mug here, and have measured this water. This is a 1.2 liters of water. You can see I'm going to pour in my chopped papaya like that, and then I cover tight. Yeah, I will let it sit for 4 days. So after 4 days, that's when I'll start now taking the water. I strongly have that faith that it's going to work, because I know you can never work if your mind is not settled, your whole body is not okay. So thank you so much. I know this video is very short, but thank you so much. It's only that we were preparing a traditional herb for ulcers. I'm so happy that I shared this with you. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think, and let's meet again on our next video.